Hello, my dear friend. I am Grandpa Joe. Welcome. Come in. Come in. It is late now. The night is here. The sky is dark and soft. It is time to rest. So please, get comfortable. Lie down in your bed. Pull the warm blanket up. Put your head on the soft pillow. Let your body be heavy and slow. You do not need to do anything now. You only need to listen. My voice is soft. My words are easy. Just breathe in and out. Slow and gentle. Tonight I have a little story for you. A soft story. A sleepy story. A story about a little cat. Are you ready? Good. Close your eyes and let us begin. Once, there was a little cat. A small, small cat. The cat was gray. The cat had soft gray fur, and the cat had big green eyes. The little cat lived in a town. It was a quiet town with small houses and long streets. But the little cat had no home, no warm bed, no soft blanket, no bowl of milk. The little cat slept outside, under the old wooden steps. It was cold there, very cold. The wind came at night. The rain came too. And the little cat was cold and hungry and alone. But the little cat was brave, so brave. Every night, the little cat curled up small and closed its eyes and dreamed of a warm home with a soft bed, a warm home with a gentle fire, a warm home with kind people. Just a little dream in the cold, dark night. One evening, the sky turned gray. Then the rain came, soft rain, then heavy rain. Drip, drip, drip. The little cat was wet. The little gray fur was wet and cold. The little cat looked for a dry place. It walked slowly down the quiet street. The street was empty. The lamps were on. They gave a soft, warm light, yellow light, in the gray rain. The little cat walked past the houses. In one house, a light was on, a warm, golden light. It came from a window. The little cat stopped and looked. Inside the window, it was warm. Inside the window, it looked safe. The little cat sat down and watched and waited. Inside that house lived an old woman, a kind old woman. Her name was Rose. Rose had white hair and gentle hands. She lived alone. Her house was small, but warm. There was a fire. There was a soft chair. There was a cup of tea. But the house was very quiet. Sometimes too quiet. That night, Rose heard a small sound, a tiny sound. Meow. Very soft. Meow. Rose stood up slowly. She walked to the window. She looked out into the rain. And there, on the cold, wet step, she saw the little gray cat. Two big green eyes looking up at her, wet and cold and afraid. Rose put her hand on her heart. "Oh," she said softly, Oh, you poor little thing. Rose opened the door. The rain was loud outside. She looked down at the little cat. "Come in," she said gently. "Come in, little one. Come in out of the rain." The little cat did not move. It was afraid. It did not know this kind woman. But Rose did not rush. She waited. She was patient. She spoke in a soft voice. "It is warm inside," she said. "You are safe here." The little cat looked at her. It looked at her kind face. It looked at her gentle eyes. Then it looked at the warm, golden light behind her. It looked so warm in there. It looked so safe. The little cat was still afraid, but it was so cold, and it was so tired. Then, slowly, very slowly, the little cat took one small step, then another, and another. Soft little steps on the wet stone, and the little cat walked inside, out of the cold rain, and into the warm, quiet house. Inside, it was warm, so warm. The fire was soft and orange. It made a soft, gentle sound. Crackle, crackle. The room smelled of warm wood and tea. Rose closed the door. The rain was outside now. The cold was outside now. The little cat stood on the floor. It looked around the warm, quiet room. It shook the water from its fur. Rose smiled. She took a soft towel. Gently, she dried the little cat. Slowly, kindly, the little cat began to feel warm, warm at last. Then Rose got a small bowl. She filled it with warm milk. She put it on the floor. "Here you are," she said. "Drink, little one." The little cat sniffed the milk. Then it drank. Lap, lap, lap. Warm milk in a warm house. The little cat was not hungry now. The little cat was not cold now. The little cat was safe. When the milk was gone, the little cat felt sleepy, very sleepy. Rose sat down in her soft chair by the fire. She patted her lap. "Come," she said gently. The little cat looked up. Then it walked to her. It jumped softly onto her lap. Rose was warm. Rose was kind. The little cat turned around once, twice, and curled up into a small round ball. Rose stroked the soft gray fur. Slowly, gently. Stroke, stroke, stroke. And the little cat began to make a sound, a soft, happy sound. Purr, purr, purr. The purr was low and warm. It filled the quiet room, and Rose smiled. She was not alone now, and the little cat was not alone now. They had each other. The fire grew soft and low. The rain grew quiet outside. Drip, drip, then still. The room was warm and still. The clock on the wall went tick, 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 soft and slow. Outside, the moon came out from behind the clouds, a soft silver moon. It shone gently on the quiet street, and inside, all was warm. Rose closed her eyes. The little cat closed its eyes too. On the kind woman's lap, by the warm fire, the little cat felt safe. So safe. It was not cold. It was not hungry. It was not afraid. It had a warm home now, a soft place to sleep, a kind friend. And every night after that night, the little cat slept in the warm house, never cold again, never alone again, never afraid again. It had a home, a real warm home. And every night, the little cat curled up and purred and dreamed happy dreams, just like you, my friend, warm and safe and sleepy in your soft, warm bed. Now, my dear friend, let us say a few soft words together, very quietly. No need to move. Just whisper with me if you like. Say, cat, a little cat. Say, warm, a warm home. Say, safe, I am safe. Say, sleep, time to sleep. Good, very good. Your English is growing, slowly and gently, just like a little seed. And now, a soft question for you before you drift away. Do you have a warm, safe place to sleep tonight? I hope you do. I hope you feel warm and safe and calm, just like the little gray cat by the fire. You do not need to answer. Just feel it. Warm and safe and sleepy. And now it is time to rest. The story is over. The little cat is asleep. Rose is asleep. And soon you will be asleep too. Let your body be soft and heavy. Let your breath be slow, in and out. There is nothing to do now, nothing to worry about. You are warm. You are safe. Thank you for listening with me tonight. It makes me so happy. If you would like more soft stories like this, please subscribe and stay with me. I will be here, night after night, with easy English and gentle words. Good night now, my dear friend. Sleep well, sleep deep, sweet dreams. Good night from Grandpa Joe. Good night.